Hello, I'm Jane from Pet Therapy Rooms, and you may think from the name of the business that we only deal with pet dogs, but actually we do deal with working dogs and agility dogs for a really important reason. So just like any athlete, human or animal, they undergo rigorous training from a very early start in their life to get them to where they are going to be. So let's just take a Schutzhund competing dog, for instance. They can be 4 years in the training to become able to make their first competition. And they could go to their first competition and in the lead up to it or even during it injure themselves, that puts them out of action and unable to compete for the rest of their lives. And that doesn't need to be the case. So we have been working very closely with Alex and Letitia from Essex Dog Trainers, and look after some of their dogs. So we look after Banzai, who is current world champion, and we have one of the puppies also coming to us called Onyx, and we've had him coming from a very early stage of his life, so I can get to know his body and look at how he's developing and pick up any niggles along the way that stop him injuring himself and keep him fit and healthy. With Banzai, it's very much a weekly visit to just check him out and make sure that he's not got any minor strains. He's very quick to tell me if I touch somewhere that's feeling a little bit uncomfortable. So these guys, these are very highly strung dogs. These are bred to be endurance dogs, and they do not show pain easily. So it takes a very special relationship to learn the signals that these dogs are going to allow me to know when something's not feeling quite right. And we get these at a very early stage, and even just some simple massage or some hydrotherapy or changing their routine for the next few days can be absolutely critical to them not having long-lasting or limiting injuries that then take them out of competition. As I said earlier, these guys take a lot of effort to get where they're going to be, an enormous amount of training, and these dogs need to also learn how to relax and how to allow their bodies to recover. More importantly also, when these guys go to compete, they need to be able to be assessed by veterinary surgeons, and if they show even the slightest bit of aggression, then they're not going to be passed through to be able to compete. Aggressive dogs are not allowed to compete. That doesn't mean that we teach them to mask the pain. That means we teach them that it's okay to be touched in all places of their body. And we will then learn the bits maybe that do become a little bit uncomfortable along the way, and we can fix them before they even get to a competition. We have a plan for each dog, so when they're getting close to a competition, there'll be a mixture of massage and relaxation, and there'll be a mixture of hydrotherapy and exercise therapy to get them to the fitness level that they need to be at to be able to compete. So if you've got an agility dog, or you want to compete your dog, or you just want to bring your puppy along and get it used to being touched, this is a really super environment for them to be able to do that. So please don't think we're just for pets. We are also for performing and working animals too.